Hello everyone, welcome to Cosmos and Spread. My name is Michelle Rogers, also known as the Paranormal Experiencer. Today I'm going to be giving a review for the Oracle cards, the Spirit Animal Oracle by Colette Baron-Reid. So I'd like to start off with, they did come in this box, which is not sturdy if it's something that you're going to be putting the cards in and out of all the time. I don't see that it would last very long. However, I am a person that keeps my cards out all the time, so I only got this out to show you what they come in, but that's why I did not put them back in the box so that I don't wear my box down in case I do need to travel and take them with me for some reason. But I do have a much sturdier box that I try to carry my cards in instead of these. Okay. Now, with that being said, I have seen this same deck of cards in much sturdier boxes, but I got these because this did not come with any type of booklet, because the reason that I chose this one was because I didn't need the booklet. I use my intuition and numerology and plus symbology with animals. So therefore, since this is an animal deck and they do have numbers for numerology, I was able to get them at a cheaper price like this instead of using the booklet. But they do have many of these with the booklet, and but you know, I haven't seen the book, so I don't know how descriptive the booklet is, but it is available. So this is what the outer portion looks like on all the cards, and I love these cards. These are about the size of the regular playing card decks, so it's very easy to shuffle. They have a more of a matte finish, so they're not too slick and sliding all over the place. You see how easy they are to shuffle? And also shuffling this way, they don't slide everywhere. Okay, very nice. The cards are very sturdy, and I do use these quite frequently. I've had this deck, I believe, close to a year, and it's also one of my favorites. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I just love these cards. So you see you have the numerology here, but you also, you know, it gives you a little bit of word of wisdom to go on as well. But I just think these cards call to me as well. Most of the cards that I have called to me. A few didn't, but most did. And this is one of the decks. I saw someone else using these cards, and I said, oh my gosh, I have to have these. It was one of those things. I absolutely love them. Isn't that beautiful? And I feel like, you know, the artwork to them is just, it's gorgeous, and it's not too busy. So if you're a person like me and you're going by the symbols, the animals, if that's something that, you know, you're used to doing, then you don't have to worry about all this other stuff. You know, you have your symbol and that's it. It's just short and sweet, but beautiful. So cute. And each each of these do have numbers. So if you're a numerology person, that will help you as well. Now, if you are a beginner, I would definitely suggest getting the deck with the book. Now, if you are a person that has had a lot of dream visions or day visions, and you get a lot of symbology, a lot of animals, geometry, things of that sort that you've had to learn to interpret over years, then you will be able to pick up on the meaning of the cards really, really fast. I'm not sure if I've said it yet. I do apologize, but from a 1 to a 5-star, I give these a definite 5-star. If I could give higher, I would for this deck of cards, honestly. I love them that much. And also, if you're a person that does better with pictures or hands-on things instead of having to read everything, then learning the symbols may be easier for you as well if you're trying to learn how to give readings. And of course, learning symbols, you know, that would be time consuming if you've never done that before. But if you're looking at this video right now, that means if you haven't accidentally tapped onto this channel, then that means you have intentionally came here interested in these cards. So there's a huge possibility that you may be using your intuition. Okay, you may be having some type of intuitive visions or dream visions. Okay, and if you begin to pay very close attention to those visions and start realizing the symbology, everything has meaning in visions, okay? And a lot of times you're going to get animals. You get numbers, animals, geometry, and of course other symbols, houses, buildings, you name it, vehicles. But what I'm saying is, for this deck of cards, and for many of the other decks, many of the others have lots of symbology in them. So if you are a person that is used to decoding your visions, or you're interested in it, I would definitely recommend beginning to learn what the different animals mean, what the different insects mean. And to me, it's easier, and this is just me, but it's easier learning what the symbol means, okay, than it is what a card means and having to memorize the card. Because the symbols will take you so much farther. You can use the symbolization in every deck. We are almost done, my friends. Just a few more. Isn't that lovely? I love it. Okay, thank you so much for watching this review. I hope that this is able to help someone to be able to see if you resonate with these cards or not. Maybe to purchase in the future, or even to learn symbology. Either way, many blessings to you. Thank you for coming to my channel. Much love.